Okay, welcome back once again, Hidden Acres Homestead NC. Today we're going to do a real quick review on this, and it's not going to be very in-depth. It's just going to be a quick review on this Husqvarna 336 FR brush cutter I've had for 2, 3, 4 years now, something like that. Works pretty good. It's got 1.9 horsepower engine on it. It's got plenty of gas in the tank. I think it's a little over 20 ounces, but I'll put the specs in the down in the description so you can have a link and go to it. It's got handlebar controls on it. Of course, the cutting head, replaceable blades. You can put anything on there you want. Well, that's a lie. You can't put anything on there you want. There are a multitude of different replacement blades for that head, so you can go out and purchase whatever you want. It comes with two blades. Comes with a brush blade, and it comes with a grass blade. Also comes with a string trimmer head that takes pretty good size line. It's like 0.105 inches on the line, so it's a little thicker than what you're going to get on your homeowner models. This is billed as a professional model. It weighs about 15 pounds. It's kind of heavy, but with this, you'll see this harness when I get it put on. It distributes the weight good, and it's got pretty good balance on it. Shaft's roughly almost 60 inches long, so you've got a little reach with it you can get. I'll get it fired up, and we're just going to run right down here and do some real quick cutting on some of these weeds and bushes. I'm not really dressed for this right now, so I'm not going too far down in the woods, and but if you've got brush and stuff like this to clear out, this is the tool for you. We do all kinds of homesteading stuff. I've got to put a new carburetor on the rototiller here probably tomorrow. Depends on how hot it gets, but we got all kinds of projects going on all the time. If you're into that, chickens or bees or working on equipment or product reviews, bottom right hand corner of your screen, our logo sitting there. Go ahead and give us a like, a subscribe. Be sure to hit the notifications bell so you can see when we put new material up. We generally put up more than one video a week anyway, because we've always got stuff going on here. So do us a favor, hit that button. Get the choke on. Give it 4 or 5 good shots here on the bulb. Go ahead and lock the throttle there a little bit. Multiple rows here, or multiple holes, so you can adjust this to wherever you want it. So you can see it does a pretty good job of what you want it to do. Not that big a deal. If I'll put a link for this thing in the description box also. This comes off a lot easier than it went on. And if you like them, go buy one. Works good for us. See you from Hidden Acres.